So it's been 2 years since I posted my 1 hour in the bathroom video, and I thought I would provide a updated magic trick glow up video. But I hate the word, whoa, I'm really white right now. I hate the word glow up. I prefer self-care because the best form of self-care is just looking after yourself and making yourself look and feel good. So that's what today's gonna be. You're welcome. So I will be showing you how to get from this to this in 12,000 easy steps. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's bad. I know, Vico. It's bad. It's so bad. It's so bad. Vico. Vico. Ow. So first step is I'm going to go get my hair done. Hello. We are back from the hairdressers. And honestly, there is nothing like getting your hair done to fix your self-esteem. You've seen me go from looking like this to then being like half pink, half silver, and then half green, half silver. And I just needed that bad idea moment for like 6 months and have some color in my hair, and it was a good decision, and now I'm ready to be back to my normal self. This side is a little bit whiter than this side because we did have to put this through a bleach bath, but the color, the green, came out super quick, super easy. And then this is my normal blonde minus the bleach. So this side is feeling a little bit crispy, this side's feeling beautiful and soft as always. My hair is getting thinner.
Fine when you're not really fine, but
it's something I just have to understand. And here is my little Sprout update. For those following along, look how long Sprout is getting. That is like everything I want and more, just that like color straight through to the root. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, let's make me pretty. I'm gonna have a little bit of Shape Tape and a little bit of this BB cream, which I got as a tester in Sephora when I was in Sydney a couple of weeks ago. I'm so annoyed at myself because I didn't write down what's in this tester because I really like it. Don't like using the foundation so much anymore. This smells like citrusy, but like look at that, it just makes my skin kind of glowy and happy looking, and it's like kind of makes me look tanned as well. Perfect. Like you can still see some of my freckles and veins and stuff. Just a little bit of liner. Let's do some freckles. Some of my freckle stuff on. Okay, so now I'm going to do the like rest of my skin glowy palette and some bronzer really, but it's most like a cool tone brown ever. But I'm going to do like a little bit of contour, and I'll get this pink and this color. I'll just dap these three together and just to kind of make this bit a bit more glowy. I don't know what this necessarily achieves, but I kind of like it. Finish the skin off. I get this Jeffree Star in Ice Cold. I love this highlight. Cute. And then I put it in my inner corners. Yeah, my skin looks really good now. See, before it was kind of like miserable and pimply. I want to do like a subtle bit of eyeshadow and then winged eyeliner and false eyelashes. That's my go-to move. I'll just get these two colors here and just kind of start off, and I'll go right up pretty much to the brow just to get my eye looking as big as possible. Okay, so I have put on my standard eyelashes. These are Smitten by Holy Grail. I love them, they're so pretty. Wow. And then I got my NYX eyeliner and a bit of Maybelline mascara on. Now I'm going to put a lipstick on. I think I'm going to do Angel Cake by Kylie Cosmetics. Oh, and I changed my shirt to this cute Ragged Priest one. Oh yeah, I look so much better. So I'm gonna go outside and get a good selfie. Oh, like, look how good that bit of hair looks. Oh my god, I look so much better. I was looking rough. I'm just quickly editing them. I got this one. Damn, I'm not showing up. And then I got this one. And then this one, which I think is definitely like the cutest. I guess what I mean by doing this like glow up self-care kind of video is that 2 years ago when I posted that video, you know, I'm definitely in a better place mentally than I was then, and Kim, who posted that video in 2016, would be very proud of 2018 Kim going into 2019 Kim, and I think she would be like really proud that she's, you know, more in tune with herself and taking care of herself. You know, my priority is just to be a good person, a good hardworking person, and following my dreams and believing in myself, because without yourself you have like nothing. It's something that I'm really going to push and continue into the new year, and I think I have like a few goals, and I am just going to spend next year like really taking my art seriously, selling and just making new prints and doing more commissions and murals as I can. I feel like on my channel in the last 6 months I've just been working really hard to try and find like my voice on here. Yeah, I'm really thankful for your patience, and I know the same bunch of people who watch every single video, and I'm so thankful that you've stuck by me. Thank you so much. I don't necessarily want to become big and famous or anything like that. I just want to make people happy. You know, one goal I'd love is to have maybe like 10,000 views per video instead of 2,000 to 5,000 views per video. I would love that. You know, and I'm still uploading once a week, and I just want to keep that going. I'm really proud of that effort. I'll keep doing, you know, videos that are like hauls and style and fashion ones, because I know you guys really like them and I love making them. I think they're reasonably easy to make. They're quite like, you know, stress proof. Definitely look out for some like fun experimental ones, and I'm gonna, like, I'll make sure it's stuff that you like, I promise. I love just making you guys happy. I live for getting messages, you know, being like, your video made my day. Yeah, I'm just thinking of this, you know, yeah, it's, I don't know, I just always get so nostalgic at the end of every year, and I just think, you lot are just the sweetest, kindest people, and please come and chat to me on Instagram. I always reply to as many DMs as I can, and, you know, get to know everyone who watches my videos, because you guys are literally like, you all have cool hair and cool style and have pets and are just so lovely and kind, and it literally means the world to me, because that's who I aspire to be. I aspire to be like nice and kind and dress cool, and, you know, doing this makes me so happy. I think I finally figured out something that like works for me and my brain, like a form of work that I can really enjoy, that like gives my life meaning. So thank you. I know I don't have a very big audience, but like, that's what I mean, like, thank you. Like, thank you so much. Like, I'm literally talking directly to you watching this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my video. It went from being like me trying to be funny to me being very happy, sad. Very grateful. Thank you. And now I feel like I'm making videos that will make me happy. And I think that's what makes you happy, because we're like the same person. Start 2019, this is your year, I promise you. Follow your heart, follow your dreams, take care of yourself, okay? Take care of yourself, you deserve it. This is your internet mum speaking to you. Okay, take care of yourself. You deserve it.